based.
My name is Maxine, and I'm a self-care advocate for natural healing. I'm doing Ramadan this year, and it's day number 10 and 11 that I'd love to share with you. I've had such a deeper connection with my food, understanding that food is here to nourish and nurture me has given me a new appreciation for what food does. You know, in the past, when I was feeling sad, I would go to food, maybe craving something salty or chocolates. You know, when I was in a toxic relationship, I certainly knew that I use food as a coping mechanism. So just be mindful of your food, and when you are having cravings, what is that craving? What is that underlying issue? Self-care. You are worthy.